theoretically, if there was a heaven, and theoretically, if you did go to said heaven,
Sure,
Yeah.
right.
would animals also have the same rights as you to go to heaven?
I don't look at it. Okay. See, this. Why did you do this right at the end of the show? We had one more thing to do, and now you're gonna make me explain my thoughts and perspectives on a soul. No,
This
no,
is the
no,
thing.
no. We're not
I
doing
will
this.
debate
We're not doing
you
this.
to death.
We're not
I
doing
wanted
this.
to know.
We're moving
He
on.
started
No.
this.
Listen, I've known you for a
He
long
knew.
time.
He knew we would both go
and
at
I
it.
just
He
wanna-
tried.
I just wanted your position.
I want to know
No,
your
you
position
didn't.
first.
You
You brought
wanted
it up.
me
You
and
tell
Kevin
me
to
your
go at
position.
Oh, my position?
Yeah.
Is that like all life is precious. So like, fuck you.
All dogs go to heaven.